Mr. Speaker, and I have to apologize to our honourable colleague as I missed a portion of her speech. So I'm going to ask if, and I'll apologize now if she addressed this, but over the course of the answering the questions and the debate, I'm confused by some of the answers. She is a good colleague of mine. I have a lot of respect for her. I have concern, and I think Canadians should have concern, when you have a single source in control of all of our data and our private information, Canadians' information, and I think that Canadians' information should be kept private. That being said as well, too, that a single source shouldn't have the ability to, I guess, farm out the storage of our data to a third party. And I think in some of the comments we've heard that there is a concern that this could be done. And I think to my honourable colleague, through you, Mr. Speaker, I think in her earlier answer she said, you know, i.e. China, another source. We hear day in, day out about cyber threats and attacks and the stealing of personal data. So through you, Mr. Speaker, I'd just like our honourable colleague to clarify her point that she is absolutely against a third party storing Canadians' data. And that indeed going to a single source or a single group, a chief statistician with all-encompassing power, we indeed could see this, and it could spell doom for a lot of what we collect. Thanks.
Honourable member for Sarnia-Lambton.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, and I thank my colleague for his question, and I forgive him for missing my riveting speech. Definitely, you did get the main point, though. I'm very concerned about Canadians' private information. There are a lot of people in the world with ill intent that would love to have Canadians' private information, and I think that the government has a responsibility to protect that information. We've seen in the past where we had hacking into the Canada Revenue Agency. There's been other rumors of Chinese hacking happening. I would say that we have to make sure that the data storage is secure, and in my experience that means not to give it to a third party.